You will become an independent professional trader. I want you to become an independent professional trader, and I don't want you to depend on any other people. You will never regret being part of Bounce Trading Academy. That is the kind of value what we add in people's lives. Yes, now you will experience once you become a part of our webinar, you will realize it. Yes, this is not something which we just boast ourselves. No, this is with the confidence which I am saying that yes, we are adding 100x value. Now let me introduce myself. I am Faiz bin Naz. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a professional trader. I'm also a trainer. I train people to how to trade like a professional trader, and I'm also a personal development coach. So I'm on a mission right now to create 100,000 independent professional traders. So that is why I'm recording this video for the people who has shown interest in Bounce Trading Academy, who want to start their trading journey. Yes, so I'm sure that you are in the right place. So let me clarify a few of your doubts that you may be thinking that will I be able to become a trader? Who these people are? What are they doing? So I thought of giving a little bit of picture how the journey will be once you become a part of Bounce Trading Academy. Yes. So we have a 5 days webinar. It's live webinar. Day 1 will be an introduction, and I'll be preparing you mentally how this journey will be and what are the preparation which you have to have mentally. We will be discussing about that day 1, and we will be discussing few things about forex or stock market, and then on day 2 will be I'll be teaching you how to draw these chart patterns and all. On day 3 we will be learning about how to take entry, exit, stop loss. On day 4 we will be learning again about the same chart patterns, like how to read chart patterns, what are the chart patterns, why do we have to identify these chart patterns. And this will be a pure interactive session. I'm sure you will never get bored, because we'll be talking more than trading also. It will be super fun and it will be very interesting. And on day 5 we'll be learning about risk management, and we'll be learning about what is called short selling, and all these things we'll be covering in this day 5. Now we will never let you fall behind, or you will never go out of this webinar session with full of doubts, because we have this personal monitoring session in between this day 5. So that's what I said. You will never regret being part of Bounce Trading Academy, because once you come out after this day 5, now after this session, you will have full clarity about how you have to take trade, how to manage your risk. People say, it is very risky, stock market is risky, forex is risky, cryptocurrency is risky. It is risky for those people who don't know how to trade. But here in day 5, you will be learning how to take trade, how to manage how to handle your emotions. Everything you are going to learn over there. So you will also get personal monitor who will be monitoring you, who will be helping you out personally. So once you become a part of this Bounce Trading Academy, and after day 5, that is where you may require us. See, when we say that it is lifetime, it doesn't mean that only for day 5. It is after day 5, whatever you have learned, you are going to apply it live in the market. You may do some mistakes, you may have some doubts again, because that's how this journey is all about. It's not about just 5 days session. So after you learn in day 5, when you are executing, that's when we are helping you out more. Okay, so take advantage of this. I highly recommend you to become a part of this Bounce Trading Academy. Learn this skill, no matter, even if you are a person, even if you are a student, even if you are doing job, business, or wherever you are from, whatever you do, I highly recommend everyone to take advantage of this generation where we can earn digitally. So you don't need to you don't need to go anywhere to make money in this generation. That's what I personally believe. And once you have this skill, no matter whatever you are doing, you can still create this secondary source of income, and you can make money work for you when you are sleeping. Yes, you can start with 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, or any amount of rupees. Is there any business where you can start making money, where you can start making money with the 1000 rupees or 10,000 rupees? No, I don't think. I don't think, but in this trading journey or in this trading field, you can start. So be part of this trading academy, and you will realize and you will learn many things inside the webinar. And as I said, this webinar is not about just I talk and you will listen. This is something where you are going to have fun. You will meet so many students from different countries or different areas, different states, different places, different professions. So this is one community which is growing massively right now, and I'll be seeing you in the live webinar. And I'll promise you, this is my commitment, that you will never get out from this webinar with doubts. No, you will be able to read charts. You will become an independent professional trader. I want you to become an independent professional trader, and I don't want you to depend on any other people. Okay, that is a kind of commitment and value what I am going to add. I want you to be part of this journey. So if you have more doubts, and if you want more details, you can contact me in Instagram also, and my team, they will be contacting you. And yes, I'm looking forward to see you in the live webinar, and you will experience something. Your mind will blow once you are in that webinar, I'm sure. Thank you very much.